The Lord be with you.
And also with you.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Mark.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus and his disciples set out for the village of Caesarea Philippi. Along the way, he asked his disciples, "Who do people say I am?" They said in reply, "John the Baptist, others Elijah, still others, you're one of the prophets." But Jesus asked them, "But who do you say I am?" Peter said to him in reply, "You are the Christ." Then Jesus warned them not to tell anyone about these. He began to teach them that the Son of Man must suffer greatly and be rejected by the elders, the chief priests and the scribes, and be killed, and rise again after 3 days. He spoke this openly. Then Peter took him aside and began to rebuke him. At this, Jesus turned around and looking at his disciples, rebuked Peter and said, "Get behind me, Satan. You are thinking not as God, but as human beings do." He summoned the crowd with his disciples and said to them, "Whoever wishes to come after me must deny himself, take up his cross, and follow me. For whoever wishes to save his life will lose it. But whoever loses his life for my sake and that of the gospel will save it." My dear friends, the good news of our salvation.